If you love cruising or if you've just been curious about trying it, hopefully you found your new favorite channel. Over the past 7 years, we've been on over 35 cruises across 7 cruise lines, visited multiple destinations and countries, and we've experienced the highs and the lows of cruising. But here's the truth: when we booked our first cruise, I was completely overwhelmed. There were so many different options, confusing cabin categories, endless excursion choices, and I definitely made some rookie mistakes along the way. That's exactly why we created this channel. We wanted to share everything we've learned to help you have the perfect cruise vacation. Whether you're a first time cruiser or a seasoned cruiser looking to elevate your experience, on this channel, you'll find comprehensive guides about how to cruise the right cruise line and ships for your travel style, money saving booking tips that the cruise lines don't advertise, packing hacks that will make your cruise so much easier, port guides and excursion recommendations that go beyond the tourist traps, and insider secrets to getting the most value from your cruise vacations, and honest reviews of ships, destination, and experiences, and all while having a bit of fun. You'll always get our honest and unfiltered opinion. We believe in transparency, so we'll tell you what's worth your money and what's not. New videos will be coming every Wednesday, focused on giving you the most helpful cruise content possible. In the coming weeks, we'll start with the basics: why cruising might be the perfect vacation choice for you, how to choose the right cruise line for your travel style, and a step by step guidance for booking your first cruise. Then we'll dive deeper into specific topics like dining, entertainment, port strategies, and some hidden gems most passengers never discover. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me what cruise questions you have, what topics you'd like me to cover, and share your own cruise experiences. If you're excited to join the journey, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you know someone who might be planning a cruise and love to travel, please share my channel with them. Thanks for stopping by today. I can't wait to help you plan your next amazing cruise vacation. And until next time, Parker out.